Here I've got iPhone 11 and let me show you how to add Google account on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts, here it is, and then go to add account. It's time to select Google, obviously, and then click on continue. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise it will not be possible to log in to your Google account. And now simply enter your email address, so in my case it's HardReset.1@gmail.com. And then click on next. Now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is done, click on next. And now you can just activate some functions. So if you would like to activate contacts and notes to be backed up by Google, by Gmail, just mark them and then click on save. So then go back, and now in your accounts you will find Gmail, and that's it. Here you can see what your Gmail address is, and now you can smoothly move data between both accounts and you have them all in your one super iPhone 11. And that's basically all. This is how you can add user account to your Apple 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.